Haha, there we are. Hey now. So, it's been a while. I have attempted to make a couple videos. Last time I was up here, I just got a couple of idiots and got a call, had to turn around, head back home. So, end result was not too much video. Maybe I'll toss those a couple of goofballs in on this one. Some silly shit. Dumb people, Torons, doing what Torons do. And if you're not in the know of what a Toron is, it's a tourist, which is a moron. Dead today. Hey, rider. Right on. Nice cow. Put that down a little bit. So, pretty contrasting to the weekend. This place gets pretty freaking hopping lately. This coming weekend looks a little blah. Last week we had the windstorm to deal with. Oh, cute. Warrior. Fast bike. Yeah, a couple more bikes. Whatever. Ball sweat going. So, kind of wasn't expected to take the bike today. And once again, it's like, oh, hey, there's thunderstorms, possibly. Let's take the bike again, see if we get caught in the storm after work. Keep trying. Oh, man, I really should have gotten the inspection station where I got the bike done. Because, you know, doing a little shout out. Hey, rider. Still jacked up. That dude running into a pool. I never heard anything else about it. Like, were they drunk? Was it a medical? You know, poor person have a medical emergency while they're driving and hit the building, you know, and hit some people. Chad. Yeah, delayed response. Oh, what are we doing? The storefront is like stripped down. Well, not much newsworthy stuff to talk about. It's crowded here on the weekends, man. It's picking up. Really picking up. Weather's getting better, although it seems to be just between Monday and Thursday. Then it seems like every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, kind of meh. It's going to be in the 60s this coming weekend, mid-60s. After an 80-degree day today, 70, couple tomorrow, and it's gonna go 60 something. I'm gonna go home and do more work. I'm fucking tired of working. Boy, this timing sucks. So here we go. We have a conundrum. Alright, we're going to try try to keep it down, keep it quiet, going around the horses. You know, sometimes your bike could backfire or something and frighten the horses. So out of respect, try to coast by, whatever it takes to be as quiet as possible with the bike. And, you know, there's people in there, it's open air, and you know, they're trying to have a good time and do their history thing and everything. So, like, hey, rule one in life, don't be a dick. Get what you give. You know, as a rider, you always want a little bit of respect. So, you know, be respectful. Get some to get some. That's what I think they name like. No. Gotta watch that front tire. Saw that was tinted windows. Can't tell if dude looks at you or not paying attention or what's going on. But hell, even when there's no tint on those windows and they look right at you, square, right dead in the fucking eye, you'll pull out.